I'm glad to meet you. I am Emily Derecho. And your name?
Iker Garcia Mendoza.
How old are you?
7 years old.
Wow, I'm so happy to meet you, Iker. Your nickname is Iker, right? Yes. So my name is Emily Derecho. Okay, today we're going to work on some activities. Is that all right with you? Yes. And some will be easy, some will be hard. Okay, so if that is okay with you, we will start in a little while. Well, I don't expect you to answer all the questions, all right? But I'd like you to try your best in all our exams. Okay? Can you give me a thumbs up, please? All right. So if you are not sure of your answer, Iker, just give your best guess. Okay? And if you need to stop or take a break, please let me know. You can just tell me, Teacher Ems. You can call me Teacher Ems, alright? How will you call me? Alright. So, do you have any questions before we begin? No? Alright. Okay, let's get started. Since you have a pencil, you may use that one. So, our first activity would be, I would like you to indicate if this item starts with letter K. You know letter K, right? You are, how old are you? 7. Alright, so here are the items. So I'll just point at the items and you say yes or no. Make your voice loud. Yes and no. What letter are we looking for? Letter K. Okay. Does this start with letter K?
No.
What about this?
Yes.
What is this?
King.
Right. Does this start with letter K? What is this? Alright. This one?
Come on.
K? Yes or no?
Yes.
How about this?
Door.
Door. K or no?
No.
No. How about this?
King.
Kiwi. K? Does this start with letter K?
Yes.
And this one?
Key.
K still? And
Yes.
this one?
Book.
Right. Not K, right? Okay. How about this? You're not sure? What do you think this is? Pot. Okay, so see, what I want you to do is to check the items with letter K. Alright, go ahead. Check the items with letter K. Big check, please. Very good. Very good. Right. Alright, thank you so much, Iker. Actually, this one is also letter K. Oh, don't check it. It's alright, but that is kettle. Okay? Okay, so you got one. That's a book. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your score is 4 over 5. Is that okay? Okay, we will do better next time. Thank you, Iker. How did you find the exam? Easy or not? Easy. Okay, thank you.